Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about some different models in areas. Okay, students. Let us now first one, the area of the region which consists of all points satisfying the conditions mod x minus 1 plus mod x plus y less than or equal to 8 and xy greater than or equal to 2. Okay, students. Dear students, for example, we have to observe when we are suppose is given that one of the function dear students, for example, if we are taking the line x plus y is less than or equal to 1. Okay, students, this is the line x plus y less than or equal to 1. So another line is, students, the first one is x plus y is less than or equal to 0. So that means we can write substituting the 0 0. What is the students here? 0 plus 0 less than or equal to 1. Okay, students. Now these lines will become like this. Another one is, suppose x is some greater than or equal to 1 by 2. This is there 1 by 2. Now greater than or equal to 1 by 2 like this, students. The x is positive in first and fourth quadrant. Dear students, this is our required part. Now, one of them is less than and other one is greater than. Undoubtedly that is the intersecting part. But in this question also given that, students, the one of them is less than and the other one is the undoubtedly is given that, students, greater than. Therefore now, students, we can observe, students, here the x minus mod of x minus y, the mod of x minus y, we have to know that, students, this is plus or minus x minus y plus or minus x plus y equal to 8. If we are taking the, students, plus, then it will come x minus y, x plus y equal to 8. Therefore y cancel, 2x equal to 8, x equal to 4. Okay, students, this is x equal to 4. Students, when we are taking the first one is positive, second one is negative, undoubtedly that is x minus y minus x minus y equal to 8. In this case, y you got minus 4, students. Suppose, students, we taking the x is the plus, first x plus and again x plus. After then, students, when we are taking the, this is the minus, that is minus, then it will be plus. How can you write, students? It is 2y equals to 8, therefore y equals to 4. Y equals to 4. Now both are negative, that is minus x plus y, minus x minus y. We got here the x equal to minus 4. What, student, you get? X4 and y, x minus 4, y4 and y minus 4. So now we can draw the diagram, students. So now we can draw the diagram. This is the 4, this is the minus 4, dear students. This is also 4, this is the minus 4. Now, dear students, this is the y-axis. Now we can write, this is the parallel to the x-axis is, this is the line, students, y equal to 4. This is the line, students, x equal to 4. Therefore, the students, this is the y equals to minus 4. Yes, this is the y equal to minus 4. Dear students, this is x equal to minus of 4. This is the square. This is the square. Okay, students. So we got square. Now another line is given that, dear students, we observe students here, we have to take only the equal to symbol, that is nothing but and you can less than or equal to, undoubtedly. So here this is the less than, this is also less than. Okay student, this is the above, this is also above. That is the point of intersection. That means we got interior, but where is there yx equal to x1 greater than or equal to is also given that. Dear students, when we are taking here y is greater than or equals to 2 by x. Okay students, y is greater than or equals to 2 by x. Suppose students, when we are taking, if y equal to 2 by x, dear students, we can observe when the value of point of intersection, when we are taking the y, when we are taking the y equals to 4, definitely the x will come 1 by 2. Okay students, if y equal to we taken 4, suppose dear students, when we are taking the x equal to 4, undoubtedly dear students, if x equal to 4, that implies y is also 1 by 2. This is if y equal to 4. Dear students, y 4 and x 1 by 2. This is students, when we are taking the x is 1 by 2 like this. Okay students, when we are taking the x is 4, y is 1 by 2 like this. So the graph of like this. Dear students, this is greater than, these are less than, this is our required part. Okay students, so another students, we can write like this. This is also when we are taking, dear students, when we are taking y equals to minus 4, undoubtedly x we got minus 1 by 2 like this. This is the graph students. Okay student, this is the required part. So how can you find the students here? We can observe here, this is the first boundary, this is the another boundary. This is the boundary like the 1 by 2. This is the boundary. Dear students, the x equal to 4 means this is complete part. So dear students, this is x equal to 4, this is x equal to 1 by 2. These two are bounded by these two. Okay students, this is the curve y equal to, what is the curve? 2 by x students. This is the line y equals to 4. Okay students, this is the line y equals to 4. The y equal to 4 is the one line and another one is the y equal to 2 by x. Okay students, therefore the required area, dear students, the required area is, what is the students required area? The limits we are taking, the limits are the students, the limits we are taking 1 by 2, yes, the 1 by 2 to 4. This is the 1 by 2 to 4, those are the limits. But the upper curve is here 4, upper curve is the 4, lower curve is the minus 2 by x. This is the one region, this is the one region. Similar region is there. Dear students, we can write the required area twice into. Okay students, now we can written as here the 2 into twice into the integral of 4 is the x minus 2 into 1 by x is the log mod of x. The limits are given by 1 by 2 into 4. Okay students, this is the area. Now we can apply first 4. So students, now we can apply the first 4. That is, how to apply the 4 students? Dear students, now we can apply the first 4, that equals to the required area. The required area students, what is the required area? The required area 2 into that is 2 into, okay, 2 into we can written as, dear students, that 2 into 4 4 are 16, okay, minus of 2 into log 4, 2 into log 4, okay. After you can write, and you will come the lower limit, dear students, that is the minus of 4 by 2 is the 2, okay. Now this is minus 2 into log of 1 by 2, okay students. Now we can write this is the 2 into 16 minus 4 can be written as the 2 square. 2 into 2 is the 4 log 2, okay students. This is the students minus 2, 2 power minus 1, minus of minus plus 2 log 2, okay students. Now this is students, when we are taking 16 minus 2, students 14, 16 minus 2 is the 14, minus 4 log 2 plus 2 log 2 is the minus of 2 log 2, okay students. Therefore when we are taking the 2 is the common, when we are taking the common is the 2, undoubtedly we got, dear students, here we can observe what is students, this is the minus of 2 log x, yes, okay. Dear students, here this is minus 2, this is ending to the numerator, this is 2 power minus 1, this is minus of minus plus. Now we can write students, here this is 16 minus 2 14, this is the minus 2 students, minus 4 minus 2, this is the minus 6, okay. Here this is the important, only you can put the bracket here. Therefore students, when we are taking the common 2, when we are taking the common 2, 2 into 2 4, this is the 7 minus 3 log 2, 7 minus 3 log 2 square units, okay students. This is the required area. Dear student, a point P moves in the xy plane, the coordinate plane, in such a way that the step of mod x plus step of mod y is the one where the step denotes the greatest integer function. The area of the region representing all possible position of the point P is equal to, okay students. So dear students, the given that the mod of x, step mod x, step mod y, this is 1, okay students, that is 1. So I am requesting you first, please understand this one, after that you can draw the diagram. So how to possible, here when we got y0, undoubtedly this is 1. So dear students, first we can write the x and y axis, okay students. When we are taking the horizontal and the vertical lines, dear students, please concentrate here. This is the horizon, okay. This is also y, this is the y dash. This is purely the P point is lies in the coordinate plane, xy plane, okay students. Now suppose if we are taking, this is the y, this is the 1, undoubtedly it will be take 0. On the x axis y will be the 0. How to write the students? The step of mod x is 1 if mod y step must be 0. 1 plus 0 be the 1, okay students. Dear students, when the value of step is 1, you can clear the first, we know that x will be the value of, all of you students please concentrate here, the x will be must less than 2. Dear students, When we take x less than 2, undoubtedly x less than 2, that means 0.9, no, 1.9 is the 1. 1.9 will be the 1. At the same time, dear students, you can write directly the mod x less than 2, and also this is, how do this one at the same time, this is greater than 1. 1 to 2. When it is 1 to 2, 1 is equal, no doubt at all. The mod x must be 1 to 2, then it is 1. Yes, 1 is equal. The step 1 is 1. 1.9 is also 1. How can you write these students? The mod x less than 2 means we have to know that the lies between minus 2 to 2. Okay. Here the mod x is greater than 1. That means above 1, below minus 1. Dear students, when you take mod x is 2, that is minus 2 to 2. Lies between minus 2 and 2. And the mod x 1 less than or equal to mod x, but mod x is greater than or equals to 1. This is mod x less than 10. We have to know that this is minus 2 less than x less than 2. This is x greater than or equals to 1, x less than or equal to minus 1. Dear students, the point of intersection of these, directly you can write minus 1 closed open 2 union closed 1 to 2. These are the x belongs to. Okay students, this is the value of x. When students, when you can observe, either it is a right or wrong, just you can check it. When you can check here, when we are taking the students 1.5, modulus of 1.5 is 1.5, the step of 1.5 is the 1. When we are taking the minus 1 to 2, minus 1 to minus 2, dear students, is there a small mistake? You can write the least number is the before, that is a minus 2 to minus 1. When we are taking the minus 2 is the closed. Okay students. So dear students, undoubtedly we can written as, how to write this one? The minus 1 point. Here you can write, and students, how do this is? We have to know that the integral of here students, here the minus 1.9, suppose minus 1.9 students, minus, when we are taking the minus 1 point, so dear students, here this one is correct undoubtedly, but I write number of times. So what is the meaning students here? The mod x is less than 2 means minus 2 less than x less than 2. Mod x is greater than or equal to 1 means students, x is greater than or equals to 1 and x less than or equal to minus 1. Dear students, what I am saying here, the minus 2 to minus 1 is the one of the common part. That's why you can written as that one students, minus 2 minus 1 closed. This is open. Union, what is students? 1 to 2. Because when we are taking here, you can just check it. The x is belongs to, dear students, just you can verify that 1.5 students, mod 1.5 is the 1.5, which step is the 1. Dear students, here this is not equals to minus 2. If you take any value, minus 1.5, yes, is there mod? Minus 1.5, modulus of minus 1.5 is the plus 1.5. Okay students, therefore its step is the 1. Okay, mod of minus 1.5 is the plus 1.5, whose step is 1. Is it clear? Okay, now the another one students, now the another one is there, mod of y, mod y, this is the 0. So it is 0 for, dear students, we have to know that the step is 0 for the mod y. Undoubtedly, dear students, the mod y is must be less than 1, less than or equal to 0. Okay students, when we are taking the 0.5, 0.5 step is 0. Therefore here less than or equal to, okay. Now dear students, this is only mod y greater than 0. Here it is there. What is there students? Here minus 1 to 1. Okay students, here y is belongs to simply minus 1 to 1. Dear students, when we are taking the minus 1 to 1, 0.5 mod 0.5, that is 0. Suppose if you are taking the minus 0.5 students, minus 0.5 mod is plus 0.5. Plus 0.5 step is 0. Okay students, this is the first condition. Now the another condition is, suppose students, when we are taking the step, this is 1. Suppose if you are taking another case is, the if the step mod y is the 1 and step of mod x equal to 0, then you can written as, the another case is x is belongs to minus 1 to 1 if y is belongs to, dear students, minus 2 to, yes, minus 2 to minus 1 union, dear students, union, okay, union 1 to 2. We can write union 1 to 2. Okay students. So dear students, what I am saying here, 1 to 2. Suppose here taking 1 to 2. Just this is the 1 to 2. This is the region 1 to 2 on the x-axis. Everything is 0. Okay students, everything is 0. That means we got the mod y is the 0. Okay students, suppose when we are taking, dear students, y, what is the students we are getting? When we are taking the y is 1 to 2, y is 1 to 2. Dear students, when we are taking the y is, dear students, all of you 1 minute here. When we are taking, dear students, when we are taking x equal to 1, this is undoubtedly y will got 0. This complete pattern we got 0. Dear students, when we are getting 1.5, undoubtedly 1.1 is the 0. Okay students, that is the region. After that, dear students, minus 2 to minus 1. Minus 2 to minus 1. Dear students, when you taking the minus 1, undoubtedly the, what is the region here students? When we are taking here the minus 1, the step of mod of minus 1 is the plus 1. Undoubtedly this is also, dear students, what I am saying here, the minus 1 to minus 2. Minus 1 to minus 2. So the next students, we can take here the minus 1 to 1. When here, when we are taking, dear students, y is 1 to 2. Here we can observe the y is the here 1. Y is 1. This is 2. Undoubtedly this is 0. This part. Okay students, this part must be 0. So suppose students, here what I am observe here, when we are taking the y is minus 2 to minus 1, this is the region. When we are taking the y is minus 1 to minus 2, then x will be 0. So the x entirely 0. Okay students, this is the graph. So I am looking here, when we are taking the directly, dear students, here x we take first 1 to 2. 1 to 2 region. This is the 1 to 2 region. Then every value is the 0 students. So at the same time, minus 2 to minus 1 you can substitute. Again we got 0. Dear students, when we are taking the minus 2 minus 1, 1 to 2, the x will be 0. Dear students, when we are taking the minus 2 to minus 1, x will be 0. Dear students, what I am saying here, small logic is there. Yes, here 1 to 2 we are taking the x will be 0. At the same time, we have to take the any value between minus 1 to 1. Dear students, the minus 1 to 1 we are taking the any value y, then it will also become 0. So we have to take any value between when, dear student, is it clear or not? When we are taking here, the x will be, suppose we are taking what I am observing, x will be, we are taking the 1, undoubtedly, we are taking any value between minus 1 to 1, minus 1 to 1, undoubtedly we got satisfies this condition. That is my observation. Are you understand? Similarly, like this, dear students, here you can write all this. So like this, except 2. Okay students, suppose y equal to, suppose when we are taking, dear students, when we are taking here, this is the minus 1 to 1 y values. At the same, after then x is the minus 1 to 1 values are these like this. Okay students, so this is the graph. After then, this is y is, x is given that, what is students, when we are taking here, this is the 1 to 2, this is the minus 2 to 2. Dear students, what I am observing here, this you can write. This is the graph students. Okay students, this is the graph. After then students, this is just like this graph. Okay, this is the 2. This is the student x equal to minus 1 to 1. This is called the students x equal to minus 1 to 1. This is the reason. Okay students, so now we can write the students, this is our required area. What is the area required? This part students. Just you can think it students, this is our required area. This is our required area. Therefore, these are all similar, but the diagram will be just a small interpreted. This is the one, height is the one, this is the one. What is the area of this one? This is L into B, R square it is, x square is the 1. Therefore, how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. This is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This area is the one. The required area is the 8 square units. How to find students? Once again explain. Here the y is lies between minus 1 to 1. Dear students, the y is minus 1 to 1. Okay, this is called minus 1 to 1. And the x is here minus 1 to 1. Here y is minus 1 to 1 like this. This is and this is. Okay students. After then also x is minus 1 to 1. This part. This is the part. Okay students. But minus 2 to minus 1 is like this. 1 to 2 like this. Okay students. And y is also we can take an 1 to 2. Then it will be y0. The x is minus 2 to minus 1. x0. When you are taking x is minus 2 to minus 1, y0. This is 2. Therefore, total area is the 8 square units. Okay students. This is the graph. So, we are observing only this reason. When you are taking the students, when we can apply the 1 to 2, when we are taking the, dear students, when we are taking the when we are taking the 1 to 2, 1 to 2, that means what is the 1 to 2 students? 1.5, then it will be 1. But we have to take any value between minus 1 to 1, undoubtedly it will be the 0. Are you clear, students? What is the meaning here? When we are taking the 1 to 2, undoubtedly we are taking the x value, y value minus 1 to 1. You have to take any value, no problem at all. Dear students, am I right or wrong? When we are taking the 1 to 2, this is the 1 to 2. If you take any value between minus 1 to 2, that is the region. So that's why it is the step function. So when we are taking the 1 to 2, this every we can take minus 1 to 1, minus 1 to 1, minus 1 to 1, minus 1 to 1. Are you understand, students? When we are taking, suppose this one, this is 1 to 2, but 2 not equal. So this is 1 to 2. So that in that case, y must be minus 1 to 1. This is also minus 1 to 1, minus 1 to 1. Anyhow, this is the step function. Okay, students? That's why we got this constant. So each one is form a square. Okay. Dear students, the area bounded by the curve y equals to mod x minus 2 and y equals to 1 minus modulus of x minus 1. Okay, students, how to find this one? First one is given that mod of x minus 2 and second one is 1 minus of modulus of x minus 1. Okay, students, first we know that, dear students, the modulus of x minus 2 we can written as, if x less than 0, the mod x is the minus x minus 2. If x is greater than or equal to 0, mod x is the x. Okay, students, this is the first one. Now, students, the second one is given that for y equals to, that is 1 minus of modulus of x minus 1. Dear students, if x less than 1, you can take 0. This is minus. Dear students, what you got? This is minus x plus 1. Okay, students, when it is, if x less than 1 value means 0, that is mod minus. Okay, student, that means minus x plus 1. So, dear students, when we are taking here, then we are taking small mistake there, students. Here, what is the mistake? This is minus of, student, mod of x minus 1. If x less than 1, then you can write this is 1 minus of x. Dear students, when we are taking the less than, for this is 1 minus x. Since suppose less than 1, 0, that is a minus. If you are substituting any value, the mod is positive. Therefore, 0, minus 1, mod of minus 1 plus 1. Therefore, students, this is the 1 minus of x. Is there, students? 1 cancel. Minus of minus x, before is minus is also there. Dear students, 1 cancel. The minus of minus x is the plus x. Yes, students. After that, dear students, what is there? When if x is greater than or equals to 1. Dear students, when x is greater than or equals to 1, suppose if you are taking 2, that is 2 minus 1 is positive. We can write 1 x minus 1. 1 minus x plus 1. Okay, students? 1 minus x minus of minus plus 1. This is, students, 2 minus x. This is 2 minus x. How to write the, students? Here, the graph you can write. First of all, the students, we can take, you can observe here, students, this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, -1, -2, -3, -1 student, -2. Dear students, first we can take this is x minus 2 for x greater than or equals to 0. Okay students, so this is 0. Okay, when we are taking the 1, this is a -1, dear students. Okay students, when we are taking the 1, this is -1. When we are taking 2, this is 0. When we are taking the 3, that is 1. Dear students, this is the graph. Like this. Okay students, now students, when x less than 0, if you are taking the -1, the -1 minus of minus plus 1, that is a -1 again, -1. Okay students, when we are taking the -1, this is +1. When we are taking the, dear students, -2, this is the +2. Yes, -3 minus of minus plus 3, 3 minus 2, 1, like this. Dear students, like this. This is the graph. Okay students, this is the graph. Okay, yes. Now students, when x is less than 1, when x is less than 1, suppose here, this is less than 1, and you can write 1 is 1, students. We are taking the only one. This is the graph, student. This is the graph of y equals to, what is the graph? This is, students, when x is greater than or equal to 1, students, yes, we can draw the graph 2 minus 2, 0. When it is x greater than or equal to 0, dear students, we are taking the, this is x minus 2. This is, students, this is, you can take y equal to minus x minus 2. Yes or no? When we are taking the -3, dear students, -3, that is a +1. Yes. Okay students, now graph of this one, x less than 1. X less than 1, students, when we are taking the 0, this is 0. When we are taking the -1, -1. That is, when we less than 1 means 0, 0. -1, -1. Okay, write 1, 1. After then, dear students, 0, 0, 1, 1, like this, -1, 1. Suppose you are taking -2, 2, this is -2, 2. Therefore, dear student, -3, 3, this is like this, -3, 3, this is the graph, students. Okay students, this is the graph y equal to x. Now students, greater than or equals to 1. Suppose students, when we are taking the 2, this is 0. This is the 0. Okay students, this is when we are taking the here, when x is greater than or equals to 1, undoubtedly we got here 2. Okay. Okay students, when we are taking, dear students, when we are taking x is 2, that is 2. When it is x is 3, that is -1, like this. So now the point of intersection, dear students, now we can observe here, this is the point 1 comma 1, this is the point 1 comma -1, 1 comma -1, this is the point 2 comma 0. Okay, dear students, what is the length is here? This is the length must be, this is the, undoubtedly this is the rectangle. So what is this length, dear students? The length is the, you can write here, dear students, what is the length here, and you can write the diagonals also. This is the 2, this is, you can write, this is also minus of minus plus 1, 2, 2 2 jar is the 4. Okay students, just wait. Dear students, we have a small mistake in the first graph. So dear student, just you can observe x less than 0. 1 minute, the x less than 0 means, here students, when we are taking the x less than 0, that means students, the minus 1, when we are taking the minus 1, this is the minus 1, okay. Dear students, when we are taking the minus 2, undoubtedly this is the plus 2, okay. So what is their mistake students? When we are taking x greater than or equal to 0, here there is a mistake. When we are taking the 0, this is the minus 2. Just wait students. So here this is just like this one. This is the graph, the y equal to x minus 2. Okay students, this is the, when we are taking the x is 0, y is minus 2. When you are taking the x is the 1, undoubtedly when they take x equal to 1, y is minus 1, this one. Okay, understand students, this is the graph. This is the unnecessary part is there, dear students. So I forget it here. When x equal to 0, this is the 0. When we are taking x equal to 0, this is 0. When x equal to 0, x is 0, y is minus 2. When we are taking the x is the 1, y is the minus 1. When we are taking the x is 2, likely we have to find first x0, that is minus 2. X is a 1, minus 1. X is 2, again 0. So below minus 1, when you are taking the below minus 1, substitute in this minus 1. So this is the graph. Just you can make a mistake here. Okay students. So now is it clear? Now this is the students. This is minus 2 comma 0. Is it clear students? What about this one? When we are taking here students less than 1. Yes. What is the less than 1? Equal to anywhere you have to take here this one. Any point of view, undoubtedly we can put in equal also. Therefore here when x less than 1 means, dear students, minus 1 1, minus 2 2, 3 3. When we are taking x equal to 1, when you are taking x equal to 1, therefore when we are taking x equal to 1, therefore just you can join it. This is the graph. After then we can like this. When x is greater than 1, this is the graph 2 minus of x. Okay students. So this is the y equal to x. Dear students, now we have got the rectangle, this one. This is the area of the rectangle. Therefore students, when you got the rectangle here, undoubtedly students, you can, this is the, we know that minus 1 comma minus 1. This is 1 1. What is the length students here? This is 0 comma minus 2. This is the point 0 comma minus 2 on the y axis. 0 comma minus 2, this is the 0. 4 plus 4 is the root 8 is the 2 root 2. Okay students, now this is 2 comma 0, this is the 1 comma 1. Undoubtedly students, this is the root 2. Now LB is the area. Now the required area, dear students, the required area is the LB. The LB is the students 2 root 2 into root 2 is the 4 square units. Write down students. The small mistake is there. So when you can undoubtedly put anywhere 0, then you can take x equal to 0. This is the minus 2 0. Okay students. Understand students? Suppose once again, if you are confused, I can explain once again. Dear student, just in few minutes, don't think about that. Dear students, first you can write the simple diagram. It is, this is students, you can write the simple diagram. So when you can here, undoubtedly it will be easy. 0 1 2 3, this is minus 1 minus 2. The students, this is the minus 3. 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Dear student, first you can draw the graph of this one. When it is less than 0, we put minus 1, minus of minus plus 1. Okay student, this is the minus 1. Okay students, when x less than 0, directly we take minus 1 like this. That is the minus 1. When you are taking the minus 2, dear students, this is got 0. Okay students, when we are taking minus 3, minus of minus 3 plus 3. So we make a mistake here. In the last time we can draw the diagram. Just you can concentration only the only 0, below 0 minus 1. But we can neglect it the 0. When you can equal to 0, we got this one. This is the 0 comma minus 2. Now when you taking the 1, then it will be the minus 1. When we are taking the 2, this is the 0. When we are taking the 3, what students? When we are taking the 3, upward. Then 4, then it will be the graph here. Dear students, this is the graph. Like this. Yes. Okay students, that is the graph. Okay. Now the another graph is x less than 1. What is the students? X less than 1. When you taking 0, that is 0. Minus 1. Minus 2, minus 2. 3, 3. This is the graph. Okay students. Now students, x greater than 1, that is 1, 1. Yes. This is the one. Just you can join it. 1, 1. Then you can take a 2. This is the 0. When you can 3, that is minus 1. Like this. So dear student, this is the 2 comma 0. This is the 0 comma minus 2. This is 1, 1. This is the undoubtedly root 2. This is the 2 root 2. This is our required area. Okay students? Right. Dear students, the area bounded by the curve y equal to x minus 1 into x minus 2 into x minus 3. This is the cubic equation students. When we are taking that is f of x, undoubtedly that is when you are taking the by wavy curve method, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. Dear students, first you can write plus, minus, plus, minus. Dear students, we can observe in between 1 to 2 is the plus, 2 to 3 is the minus, below 1 is also negative. Suppose we are taking the 0, undoubtedly students we got minus 6. Now we can draw the graph here, 0, 1, 2, 3. We are also find the area between the x-axis and the ordinates. This is the y-axis, means nothing but x equal to 0. Dear students, now this is the line x equal to 3. This is x equal to 0. Dear students, when we are putting 0, this is the function f of x. When we are taking the 0, x is 0, that is the minus 6. When we are, this is the minus 6 students. Now at 1, 0, this is the graph students. Okay students, this is the graph. So now we can take the limits x equal to 0 to 1. This is the region. 1 to 2, this is the region. 2 to 3, this is the region. Okay students, how to find the area? Now we can find the area students, the required area. First of all, f of x we are what is given that students, the x minus 1. First you can write x cube. Dear student, that is x cube minus 6 x square. Okay. After that, x into x into x cube minus of 1 plus 2, 3 plus 3, 6. 1 2 is 2, 2 3 is 6, 3 1 is 3. Therefore students, that is 1 2 is 2, 2 3 is 6, 3 1 is 3. This is the 11. 11x, finally minus 6. Okay students, this is the f of x. Yes students, this is the f of x. So students, here the f of x is bounded by first f of 0 to f of 1. We can write the required area, dear students. The required area when we are taking this is y. students, 0 to 1 modulus 0 to 1 y dx modulus the area is positive. After you can write students integral 1 to 2 y dx. Dear students, the integral 2 to 3 y dx is there negative region. Okay students, this is our required area. Dear students, we can write this is when we are taking the f, undoubtedly this is the integral of, when we are taking the integral y dx, that is integral of this, that is we are taking the f of x students, integral. Now we are taking this is what is this, what is that one students, integral of, please we can write the integral is here, we can write x power 4 by 4 minus 6x cube by 3, x power the cubic is the 3 plus 1 by 4, this is x cube by 3, that is 2, 11x square by 2 minus 6x. Okay students, this is the f of x, this is students f of x. Now we can substituting the students, now we are substituting the here. Dear students, first we are substituting here the f of 0, f of 1. Dear students, f of 1 minus f of 0, f of 2 minus f of 1, f of 3 minus f of 2. First we can find the f of 0. Dear students, we got f of 0 is the 0, f of 0 is the 0. Okay students, x power 4 by 4 minus 2x cube plus 11x square by 2 minus 6x. Students, we find the f of 1. The f of 1 value is 1 by 4 minus 2, 11 by 2 minus 6. The value of f of 1 is, students, we got minus 9 by 4. Now students, we find the f of 2. 2 power 4 is the 16. 16 by 4 is the 4. 2 cube is the 8, 16. This is the 22 minus 12. Dear student, the value of f of 2 is we got minus 2. After that, f of 3 students, the value of f of 3. F of 3 is the students, what is the f of 3? The f of 3 we got students minus of 9 by 4. Minus of 9 by 4. We are substituting here. This is students f of 1 minus f of 0. This is modulus. Okay students, after we can write this is f of 2 minus f of 1. Here you can write f of 3 minus f of 2 modulus. Dear students, the f of 1 minus f of 0, this is we got 9 by 4, in modulus minus is the plus. F of 2 is the minus 2. Okay students, f of 1 minus of minus plus 9 by 4. Dear students, we got here 1 by 4. This is the 1 by 4. Okay students, 4 2s are 8, 1 by 4. F of 3, this is minus of 9 by 4. Minus of f of 2, minus of minus plus 2. Dear students, we got here minus 1 by 4, in modulus minus of minus plus 1 by 4. This is the required area, square units. Okay students, square units. Yes. Dear students, the area bounded by x equal to 0 and x equal to 2 and y equal to 2 power x and the parabola is there. Students, these two curves are bounded by the limits 0 to 2. Therefore, the given parabola is y equal to 2x minus x square. Students, now this is multiple with minus x square minus 2x equal to minus y. We can take plus 1 on both sides. This is students x minus 1 whole square minus of y minus 1. So students, this is the vertex 1 comma 1. This is the downward parabola. Okay students, downward parabola. Therefore this is also passing through the origin. Therefore the another intersecting point when we are taking y0, dear students, when we taking y equal to 0, that implies the 2x minus x square equal to 0 students. Therefore x equal to 0 and x equal to 2. Okay students, we taking the common factor is the x. Okay students, we taking the common factor is the x. Here the 2 minus x equal to 0, the x equal to 0 and x equal to 2. When students, when you are taking x equal to 0, y 0, x equal to 2 and x equal to 0, y 0, x equal to 2, y 2. Okay students, and another point is we know that 1 1. Dear students, our graph is also in between. This is the y axis, that means x equal to 0. This is the another line is given that this is the x equal to 2, dear students. This is x equal to 2 is the line. Therefore, when we are taking the 1, this one, this is the 1, this is the 1 students. Therefore, is given that the vertex is, what is the vertex is? 1 comma 1. Therefore, the parabola is the downward parabola like this students. This is our parabola. Now students, y equal to 2 power x is there. When we are taking the x is 0, yes, when we are taking the x is 0, y is the 1. Dear students, when we are taking the x is the 1, yes, y is the 2. Dear students, when we are taking first x is 0, y is that 1. X is 1, y is 2. After that, when we are taking x is a 2, that will be the 4, like this. Okay students, now the graph will be entirely like this students. This is the region. How to find students? The required area is, limits are given that 0 to 2. Upper limit is the 2 power x students. Upper curve is the 2 power x. Now the another one, the y is given that 2x minus x square whole of dx. Dear student, we know that the 2 power a power x log a. Dear students, everybody know that the integral of a power x is, we know that a power x is the a power x by log a minus 2, the integral of x square is x square by 2, 2 cancel, minus of minus plus x cube by 3, the limits will be 2 to 0. Dear students, first we can substitute 2, that is 4 by log 2 minus 4 plus 8 by 3 minus 2 power 0 is the 1 by log 2. Dear students, 4 minus 3, the 4 minus 3 is the 4 minus 1 is the 3 log 2, 3 by log 2, 4 minus 1 is the 3 by log 2. Okay students, now this is the 12 plus 8, minus 12 plus 8 is the minus of 4 by 3 square units, that is our required area. Okay students, 3 by log 2 minus of 4 by 3, yes. The area of the y equal to tan x and y equal to cot x and x axis in the interval 0 to pi by 2. Dear students, we have to know that tan 90, this is the x equal to 0, this is the line x equal to pi by 2. These are the ordinates. Everybody know that tan 45 is the 1. Therefore students, tan 90 infinity like this. We have to know that students, cot 90 is 0. This is the graph of y equal to tan x in between 0 to 90. The cot 90 is the 0, cot 0 is the infinity. Therefore, we have to find this region, area of this region. Therefore, x equal to pi by 4 is the symmetric line. So here there is a two ways. We can write 0 to pi by 4 tan x dx. Another one pi by 4 to pi by 2 cot x dx. Or the required area directly you can write twice into 0 to pi by 4 tan x. Okay students, we have to know that twice into integral of tan x is the log mod of secant x, 0 to pi by 4. Okay students, the log mod of secant x. Yes. Therefore, dear students, we can substitute here the twice into log mod of secant 45 is the root 2 minus secant 0 is the 1, cos 0 1, secant 0 1 is log 1. Okay students, after that you can write this is 2 into 1 by 2, root is the 1 by 2, log a power m is the m log a, it is 1 by 2, log 2 minus log 1 is the 0. Dear students, this is the log 2 square units, log 2 square units. Okay students, dear students, first you can write the graph in a right way. If you are facing the trouble in the drawing the graph, undoubtedly the entire sum will be wrong. So my sincere advice, okay, please draw the graph in the right way. Okay, please practice once again these videos. Thank you all.